SQL functions. SQL functions are built-in tools to process data. They help in calculation, formatting, and applying logic. Functions make queries more powerful and efficient. Let's learn about aggregate function. Aggregate function works on multiple rows. They return a single summarized value like total or average. Example includes sum, count, average, max, min. String functions are used to manipulate text data. They help in changing case, extracting text, or combining string. Example includes upper, lower, len, and concat. Numeric functions perform mathematical operations. They help in rounding, calculating absolute values or remainders. Examples include round, seal, floor, and absolute, ABS, and many more. Date and time functions help in finding current dates or formatting dates. Example includes current date, now, year, month, day. I have provided an example for each and every function. Please go through it. Conversion functions are used to change data types. They help convert numbers to text or dates to strings. Example includes cast and convert. Null handling functions handle missing or null values. They prevent errors during calculation or display defaults. Example includes is null, is not null, coalesce. An SQL query has been given as an example for each function. Kindly go through it. Conditional functions. Conditional functions apply if-else type logic in queries. They return results based on specific conditions. Common examples are case, when, and if.